This tire is really bad. You can see, I don't know if you can see the up and down, a lot of flat spots in it. Do you notice? This thing's, it's like a square tire, it's not even radial or circle. And you can see with the, when I do this, look how much it jumps, this thing. Look at this. Look at this. The edge is smoother. Here it's smooth. So as I move this way, look at this. Wow. You hear the tire noise? Let me turn the fan off. 1 second. So this is again here you can see the road noise. You hear this? One more time. Talking about bumpy rides and noise in the wheel, here's a big example. It's a lot of flat spot in this thing. Only the edge gets smoother. See here? You go through the middle, start to jump. I made another video before about this, but this is really bad. This is all over the tire. Let me bring you a closer shot here. I don't know if you can see it here. Probably hard to see in the camera, but let me see if I can go sideways. Here. You see this? It deformed completely. The whole tire deformed. This area, I think it's very clear, it's bad. And you saw how it was bumpy. Look, it's like wavy. Wow. This is really bad tire. So I'm just showing you that with the noise, all the noise was coming from. You could see. Up, down, up, down. Yeah, so that's another bad tire on a Toyota Camry. Thank you for watching.